G'day guys, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's October 3rd, 2023. This is the spot silver price update. You can see here first off on the daily chart, we did have this on our previous video, we did have this major support here at 22.11 and a minor support there, so we can effectively delete both of those. The price has crashed through that overnight and it's now reaching, just bouncing off the 88% level of that Fibonacci range. Now what we need to look out for is if it breaks much lower than this 100% level, which very likely it will do. Let's just draw another Fibonacci range between that recent low and that high. Notice where it's sitting at the moment. It's currently balancing there on the 61% Fibonacci retracement of that wider range. So one of two things going to happen here. It's either going to bounce from here or it's going to continue further declines in the coming hours and days, and not looking good for silver at the moment. Like with most commodities, there's a bit of a hit happening on all our commodities at the moment, including gold and crude. So so if it breaks through here, that's going to be a key area to look out for further declines. Otherwise, if it may bounce, in which case we'll readjust these supports. Now I'm going to delete both of those supports at the moment because they're no longer supporting. So we're going to see, this may be the next level of support, but I'll give it another day and see what it ends up doing. Now, if I restore that, the reason I say there's no sign of a bounce yet, you can see here the CCI is pretty sharp decline with no sign of recovery. There's no divergence to talk of. And likewise, the Stochastic is also dropped pretty dramatically as well, approaching, well, it's gone past the midpoint, approaching the oversold territory. So if we look at the hour chart, you can see there more closely. We did have a bullish divergence here on the CCI. It broke up on our previous video and it hit our target, and then before collapsing pretty sharply, and it's been collapsing ever since our last video. Again, there's no sign of a bullish divergence, no sign of recovery, although the CCI is still working in tandem with the price, so I wouldn't call that a divergence yet. It's starting to level out, possibly, and it may come and reach, if I zoom out, it may come and reach this lower level of support if that is another level of support, but I'll keep that in the back pocket until we get further confirmation. The Stochastic likewise is also reached the oversold territory. You can see there's a bit of a double bottom there, possibly. We may see a bit of a bounce from there. So there we are at the moment. Further declines have happened over the last few hours, pretty sharp declines. We'll let you know what happens in the coming hours. So if you've got value out of this video, please hit the subscribe and the like button. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.